guys, for today's video, I will be teaching you how to divide 4 to 5 digit numbers by 1 digit divisor. Here's an example. 4,596 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 0 divided by 4 cannot be, so bring down 5. 5 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 1 divided by 4 cannot be, so bring down 9. 19 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 19 minus 16 equals 3. 3 divided by 4 cannot be, so bring down 6. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. 36 minus 36 equals 0. So the answer is 1,149. Let's try another example. 92,288 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 4 divided by 5 cannot be, so bring down 2. 42 divided by 5 equals 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. 42 minus 40 equals 2. 2 divided by 5 cannot be, so bring down 2. 22 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 22 minus 20 equals 2. 22 divided by 5 cannot be, so bring down 8. 28 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 28 minus 25 equals 3. 3 divided by 5 cannot be, so bring down 8. 38 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. 38 minus 35 equals 3. There's nothing else to bring down, so the answer is 18,457, remainder 3. I hope you enjoy my video. Subscribe for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.